Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram at Bloom Graphics. Okay, so today on Adobe Dimension, I'm going to show you how to use the scene tools, and we're going to create an example like this. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm just going to duplicate this can, and I'll do that by clicking on the can, and then on the actions right here, as you can see, it says duplicate. And I'll duplicate it with materials and everything. So now I should show the new can. I'm going to click on it, I'm going to move it to the side. There we go. And I'm just going to change the material, and we're just going to change it to, let's say, metal. There we go. So now we selected this metal with condensation. So now we have the can we're going to use. So now on the right side of the scene tools, we have the environment. So the environment, it changes everything around it. You can change the global intensity, which is the contrast, go darker to light. You can change global rotation, which just rotates all the cans. But as you can see here, keeps the graphic. You can shadow opacity, which is the bottom of the can. And we're just going to leave that. There's reflection opacity, again, just a reflection of the can. You can see the difference right there. Reflection roughness, again, just another detail for the bottom, as you can see right here. So that's for the plane. And now when we click on environment light, you can also have actions such as delete. You have the image, again, same thing, intensity, contrast of the light. Rotate, the same thing as well, just rotating the can. And then colorize, you can add a hue to the whole image. As you can see here, red adds to everything, but we're not going to colorize this image. And now with camera, as you can see here, we have some properties. You can bookmark a perspective that you choose from the camera and then go back to it if you change directions or change views. Now here, again, camera perspective, you can change the view, zoom in, zoom out, just like the tool that we learned in the last video. You can change the position of the camera, and then you can set a focus point. So setting a focus point will just set it wherever you place it, and then everything around it will blur. So now clicking on the can here, it brings it up to the right hand side. It's the beverage can with condensation, and it has three properties. As you can see down here, it has the pull ring, it has the liquid, and then it has the can. There we go. So we're actually going to click on the can, and as you can see here, it says metal. So on the metal, we're going to click on down here, place graphic on model, and we're just going to select an image, same image, just so for demonstration properties. As you can see here, it's rendering, and as you saw that one, we're gonna make it bigger. So we can stretch it out right here, go larger. We can make it go around more and spread out wider like that. Which, there you go, you can see it right there. And we can also just make it fill instead of decal, and then with that we can go down. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future videos.